Kahit ano man ang estado natin sa buhay, we keep working. But we keep forgetting, we seem to forget that health is the real wealth. Kasi you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Ang mas nangangailangan yung mga lalong nahihirapan. Kung kaya naman nilang maghulog ng paunti-unti, basta meron kanya, may protection ka. Kasi baka yung kinikita mo hindi sapat sa pambili ng gamot. Marami nakakasakit, mga anak, di ba, o ikaw mismo. Lalo kung ikaw yung breadwinner, nagtatrabaho ka para sa pamilya mo, tapos bigla ka nagkasakit, paano na yung pamilya mo? At kahit nga anong estado, it's one thing off your list ang aalalahanin. Kahit ako, di ba? So, that's why it's important to have it. Kasama ko ang Kaiser, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. May Kaiser health card ka na ba? Sharon Cuneta po, para sa Kaiser.
This is the point of our discussion today. How Kaiser works, why Kaiser long-term healthcare is level 1 of investment. Bago ko po discuss yung Kaiser Savings Plan, mahalaga po na malaman natin yung financial concept behind Kaiser Savings Plan o bakit tayo kukuha ng Kaiser Savings Plan. Una, ito po yung tinatawag natin X-curve concept. So we have two lines. Yung blue line, yan po yung ating money line. Yung red line, yan po yung ating responsibility line. General rule kapag bata pa tayo, we have little or no savings. So dapat po, habang tumatanda tayo, lumalaki na po yung savings po natin. Because I believe po, children are not investments. Marami pong Pinoy, yun po ang wrong notion. Ang anak daw, investment. So sabihin siya, anak, mag-aral kang mabuti. Pagkatapos mo, magtrabaho ka, suportahan mo kami. Ginagawang pension plan ang anak. Ang senaryo po, ang anak po natin, magpapamilya rin po. Tanong po, aalagaan po tayo ng anak natin. Manugang po ba natin, aalagaan tayo? May assurance po? Wala po. Mabait po anak natin. Tanong, mabait po ba magiging manugang natin? May assurance? Wala po. Kultura po natin sa Pilipinas, nag-aalaga sa magulang, anak. Tanong po, sino po ang gusto mag-alaga sa biyanan? In general po, wala pong gusto mag-alaga ng biyanan. Hindi ko po sinabi wag natin alagaan ng biyanan natin o ang magulang natin. Gusto ko pong bigyan emphasis, pagtanda po natin, wala po tayong assurance na alagaan tayo ng anak natin o magiging manugang po natin. And during our younger years, meron po tayong responsibilities. Food, shelter, clothing, education, health, loans, and bills. And ano pong income ang ginagamit natin dyan? We call that active income. We are working hard for the money. I call active income temporary income. Why temporary? Kasi anytime, pwede tayo mawala ng trabaho. So, nakakatakot po. Yung responsibility po natin, permanent, pero income natin temporary. Kahit wala po tayong trabaho, kakain po tayo, kakain ng pamilya natin, mag-aaral mga anak natin, magbabayad tayo ng tubig, kuryente. Ibig sabihin po, ang responsibilities, tuloy-tuloy, kahit wala tayong trabaho. Dapat po yung active income, papalitan ng passive income, pagtanda po natin. What is passive income? Money is working for us. Example po niyan, interest from investments, rental income, kung meron po tayong apartment o paupahan. Mahalaga po na pagtanda po natin during our senior years or older years, meron na po tayong passive income. Kasi po, pagtanda po natin, we need food, shelter, clothing, health, especially sa health po kasi po, yan po pumapasok ang major disease pagtanda po natin. Kaya paghandaan po natin yung ating pong pagtanda. And life has two ifs. What if we die too soon? What if we live too long? Kailangan ko po ng volunteer. Sino po yung gusto dun sa die too soon? I believe po, wala. It means gusto po nating mabuhay ng matagal. Gusto po nating mabuhay ng mahaba. If we die too soon, may problema po. Paano po yung may iwan? Paano po yung pamilya? To protect our family, we need instant money or life insurance. So, kumukuha po tayo ng life insurance, hindi para sa sarili, kundi para sa pamilya. And I believe po, life insurance is a necessity right now. Lagi ko po sinasabi, kung di po tayo mamamatay, hindi po natin kailangan ng life insurance. Pero lahat po tayo kukunin ni Lord. Una-una lang. Kaya lahat po tayo kailangan po natin ng life insurance. Next, live too long. Pakibasa nga po yung last two words. Too long. Pagtanda po natin, we don't have enough savings and investment. Ano pong kailangan natin? Tulong mula sa anak, mula sa kamag-anak. If we live too long, nabuhay tayo po ng matagal, mahaba, we need to protect ourselves. We should be living on interests. So yan po yung ating X-curve concept. Another concept behind Kaiser Savings Plan. Bakit kailangan natin ang Kaiser Savings Plan? So this concept, we call this solid financial foundation or building our financial house. Wala pong building na ginawa mula itaas pababa. Ang building po ginagawa from ground up. So same principle sa ating pong solid financial foundation or building our financial house. We will build from ground up. First, we need healthcare. Sa Pilipinas po, maraming Pinoy, inuna po yung memorial plan bago po healthcare. So bago po mamatay, ano po nangyayari? Nagkakasakit. So ano pong dapat unahin? Memorial plan o healthcare? Healthcare muna po. Kasi in general po, bago mamatay, nagkakasakit muna. Kaya nakakalungkot po, maraming Pinoy pinaghahanda ng kamatayan, pero ang pagkakasakit hindi po pinaghahandaan. So ano pong dapat natin unahin? Memorial plan o St. Luke's? Pampa-hospital muna po. Next, life insurance. According to Brother Bo Sanchez, simple lang ang purpose ng life insurance. In case kunin tayo ni Lord today, hindi magugutom yung pamilya natin. Sa Pilipinas po, maraming Pinoy may kotse, may insurance. Pero ang driver, walang insurance. Ano po mas malaga? Buhay o kotse? Siyempre po, buhay. Sa Pilipinas po, maraming Pinoy may bahay, may insurance. Pero nakatira sa loob ng bahay, walang insurance. Ano po mas mahalaga? Buhay o bahay? Siyempre po, buhay. Kaya unahin muna po natin bigyan ng protection o insurance yung atin pong mga buhay. And ang purpose din po ng life insurance para po sa may iwan po nating responsibilities. take note, kahit wala na tayo, kakain ng pamilya natin, mag-aaral ang mga anak natin, magbabayad sila ng tubig, kuryente. Ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy po ang responsibility kahit wala na po tayo. Yun po ang purpose ng life insurance, para sa maiwan po nating responsibilities. Next, eliminate debts. So debt is a result of living beyond our means. Limbawa po, 20,000 ang income natin. Kung gumastos tayo, 21,000, 25,000, talagang mangungutang po tayo. So dapat po kung 20,000 lang ang income, below 20,000 po ang expenses para hindi tayo mangutang, hindi tayo mabaon sa utang. Next, emergency fund. So we suggest, kapag single, 3 months to monthly salary na, yan po yung ating emergency fund. Kapag may family naman, 6 months yung ating monthly salary. Yan po ang yung ating emergency fund. No, nasa ATM yan or bank, anytime pwede nating gamitin. Lahat po tayo pwede magkaroon ng emergency. So, merong emergency, walang fund, anong gagawin? Mangungutang po. So, yung purpose po ng emergency fund. Para hindi tayo mangutang, hindi po tayo mabaon sa utang. Next, investment. At IMG, we guide people kung saan yung safe and correct investment para hindi po ma-scam. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng scenario bakit kailangan natin unahin yung healthcare bago tayo mag-invest. Halimbawa po, wala tayong healthcare. Inuna natin investment, house and lot. Nagkasakit tayo ngayon. Na-confine po tayo. Tatanggapin po ba sa ospital? Pambayad yung house and lot? Hindi po. Ano po gagawin natin sa house and lot natin? Sasangla, bebenta ng palugi. So yun po yung objective, yung reason kung bakit natin kailangan unahin yung healthcare bago tayo mag-invest. Take note, ang pera po sa investment, excess money. Sobrang pera. Hindi po natin kailangan for the next 3, 5, 10, 20 years. I-allow po natin mag-grow ang pera po natin. And take note, ang pera po sa investment, hindi po emergency fund. Kaya meron tayong separate fund para sa emergency fund. So yan po yung ating solid financial foundation. Sino ba si Kaiser? So Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated is duly accredited with the Department of Health. The company is likewise registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission dated June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million. This also registered with Insurance Commission. Isa po sa mga nagbuo po ng Kaiser ay si Dr. Ramon Abragan, former President and Medical Director of Kaiser. Unfortunately, kinuha na po siya ni Lord noong 2016. So, Dr. Ramon Abragan was a former DOH Head Executive Assistant, former consultant to the DOH Secretary, former member of Medical Board of Examiner of the Philippine Regulation Commission. Si Dr. Ramon Abragan, nung binubuo po yung Kaiser, ang ginawa po niya, kumuha po siya ng proposals from different HMO. So pinagsama-sama po niya yan. Kaya si Kaiser po ay hybrid. Ito po yung opisina ng Kaiser. So ground floor, Kings Court Building, Generosis, Makati. Its website, kaiserhealthgroup.com. Pakita po natin sa screen yung SEC registration number and authorized capital stock. You will see on the screen Kaiser's Board of Directors. also its officers. Mission and vision of Kaiser. We shall aim to be the industry leader in providing maximum long-term and short-term healthcare benefits to all our members. We shall help build a secured future and wise financial foundation in coping with inevitable medical expenses each of us would one day face, especially after employment and during retirement years. So Kaiser offers the following HMO plans: Kaiser Health Card Individual, Kaiser Health Card Family, Kaiser Health Card Mini Group, 10 to 49 members. Kaiser Health Card Group, 50 to 99 members. Kaiser Health Card Corporate, 100 members and above. Senior Care Plan, Daily Health Plan. The company also offers one-of-a-kind HMO product, long-term health care. So this is the Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder is a 7-year paying period and 13-year waiting plan. Ito po yung i-discuss ko ngayon, yung Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So Kaiser is accredited to more than 250 hospitals and 270 clinics nationwide. So Kaiser investing to provide solution to the most neglected need about our healthcare. So we have two periods here. Employment years, that's 21 to 60 years old. Then 61 and up, yan po yung retirement years po natin. So meron pong ginawang pag-aaral o study. So during employment years, ang consumption lang ng healthcare, 20%. 61 and up, retirement years, 80% po, nandyan po ang consumption ng healthcare. Bakit 20% lang during employment years? Example po, ako po, nung I was an employee, meron po akong health card. Coverage po, 100,000 per illness per year. Pero ayoko pong gamitin yon para ma-confine ako. So halos hindi ko po siya nagagamit. Nagagamit ko lang siya sa mga simpleng check-up. At nire-require kami ng employer namin para sa annual physical examination. So halos hindi ko siya nagagamit. Kaya kapag meron tayong health card provided ng employer, halos hindi natin siya nagagamit. Kaya tama yung pag-aaral na during employment years, 20% lang ng ang consumption ng healthcare. 61 years old and up, 80%. Bakit 80%? Kasi during retirement years, dyan po pumapasok ang major disease, ang sakit. So, ngayon, kailan po natin mas kailangan ng healthcare? During employment years o retirement years? Siyempre po, retirement years. Ang tanong po, meron na po ba tayong ginagawang paghanda para sa ating retirement? Kung meron po, ituloy natin. Kung wala, simulan po natin. So Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare is a 3-in-1. Kaiser International Health Group is one of the product providers of IMG, offering people the only long-term healthcare program in the Philippines. It is a 3-in-1 product that solves the 3 major financial needs of Filipinos. 1, investment. 2, life insurance. 3, long-term healthcare. This long-term care product is called the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. The long-term care program has 3 phases: the accumulation period, extended period, and the start of long-term care period. So Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder, again, 7 years to pay. Then waiting period, 13 years. So 7 plus 13 equals 20. So maturity date po on the 20th year. So again, Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder, 3-in-1 po siya. Merong healthcare, life insurance, and mutual fund investment. So dito po sa example na plan, we call this K100 na plan. So pag-usapan po natin yung healthcare. During paying period, first 7 years, meron po tayong hospitalization for confinement worth 60,000. Let's say po, na-hospital tayo, na-confine tayo, then 60,000 po ang naging bill natin, wala po tayong babayaran. Si Kaiser po ang magbabayad. Pero may tip po kami. Once na ginamit po natin yung 60,000, kahit isang beses lang, during paying period, yung pong bonus na 350,000, mababawas po siya sa maturity value na 1.1 million. So, makukuha po natin yung 1.1 million na maturity value on the 20th year. So, meaning, pag di po natin ito nagamit during paying period, yung bonus po na 350,000 represents 85% ng binayad natin, money back guaranteed. Pero makukuha natin siya on maturity kasama nung maturity value. So, ako po, meron ako nito. So plano ko po, hindi ko siya magamit span of 20 years para on maturity, meron akong additional fund para sa retirement ko, meron akong additional fund para sa healthcare ko. Kasi ayokong mas sa anak ko, magiging manugang ko, o mga kamag-anak ko. Gusto ko maging financially independent pagtanda ko. Kaya I consider this Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder my savings and investment plan. Then kapag 1 year na po tayo nakabayad dito, libre na po yung annual physical examination during paying period. Then sa dental, unlimited checkup, unlimited bunot. Now, punta po tayo sa life insurance. So covered po tayo ng life insurance for 20 years. Pero take note, hanggang age 70 lang po. Kaya kung tayo po ay age 55 na at kukuha tayo nito, covered lang tayo ng until 70 years old. Hindi po natin mamaximize yung 20 years. Pero kung tayo po ay, let's say, 40 years old today, mag-a-avail tayo ng Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, mamamaximize po natin yung 20 years na coverage ng life insurance kasi 40 plus 20, 60 pa lang po tayo nun. So, magbibigay po ako ng actual case. Meron po tayong plan holder. Ito po yung plan niya, K75. 2 years na po siya nagbayad ng Kaiser. 2 years and 1 week, namatay po siya, inatake. So, nakuha po ng family na insurance, 337,500. So, ilang taon po nagbayad? 2 taon. Ilang taon po dapat bayaran? Supposed to be 5 years pa. So wala na pong babayaran. Considered fully paid. Waive of installment due to death. So fully paid na yung plan, nakuha insurance, upon maturity, makuha pa po yung maturity value 874,626. Maganda po ba siya? Another case po, actual case, we have plan holder, ito po yung plan niya, we call this yung A75 na plan. So, nagbayad po siya ng a guy from Cebu, 25 years old po siya. So, nagbayad po siya ng one installment, yung monthly, 2,647. So, after 2 weeks po, namatay po siya, aksidente. So, nakuha po ng family na insurance 2,500 times 2. That's 405,000. So, pag aksidente po ang cost ng death, times 2 po ang insurance. So, ilang beses po nagbayad? Once pa lang. So, almost 7 years pa yung dapat bayaran. Wala na pong babayaran. Considered fully paid now. Waive of installment due to accident. Fully paid na yung plan, nakuha insurance times 2 upon maturity. Yung maturity value na 524,776 makukuha pa po ng kanyang family. Maganda po ba siya? Yes. Gusto niyo na pong subukan? Huwag muna po. Then waive of installment due to disability. Let's say po, na-disable yung plan holder for at least 6 months, hindi siya makapagtrabaho. During that period, nakaway po yung pagbabayad. Tutuloy lang po niya yung pagbabayad kapag magaling na po siya. Ngayon, kung totally disabled na po, hindi na po makapagtrabaho, so considered fully paid na po yung plan. Then sa investment side naman, which is mutual fund investment from 8th year to 20th year, meron na pong 10% interest. So nag-grow na po yung pera po natin. Again, meron po siyang healthcare, life insurance, and investment. So pwede po mag-avail nito ay 10 years old to 60 years old. So during accumulation period, first to 7th year, kapag tayo po ay 1 year nang nakabayad, libre na po ito. Annual physical examination and yung dental benefits. Let's say po, annual mode of payment po ang kinuha natin. Hindi na po tayo maghihintay ng 1 year para magamit tong pre-annual physical examination. So, pag annual mode of payment po ang ginawa natin, ma-avail po natin kagad itong annual physical examination for free. So, libre po siya during paying period. So, annual physical exam to be administered by an accredited service provider. So, APE coverage, yung basic 5 po na tinatawag, physical examination, chest x-ray, stool examination, routine urinalysis, and complete blood count. ECG for members above 35 and pap smear for female members above 35 years old or as required. Then sa dental benefits naman, during paying period, libre din to. Kapag tayo po 1 year na nakabayad, so unlimited dental check-ups, unlimited simple tooth extraction, once a year free dental prophylaxis, the cementation of jacket, crowns, inlays, onlays, and minor adjustment of dentures. So, basic medical health benefits, accredited physician's fee, specialist's fee, surgeon's fee, anesthesiologist's fee, operating room, intensive care, members' choice of room and board up to 1,000 per day, and yearly benefit limit of 60,000 pesos per year. So, waiver of installment due to death credit life. So, na-discuss po natin yan kanina. Waiver of installment and premiums due to total and permanent disability. Na-discuss na rin po natin yan kanina. Term life insurance coverage, accidental death and dismemberment. So halimbawa po, naputol po yung dalawang kamay po natin, 100% po ng life insurance ma-avail po natin. At dito po, meron pong tinatawag na combo rin. Halimbawa po, naputol yung isang kamay natin, 50% of insurance, makukuha natin. Then, naputol yung isang paa natin. So, another 50% ng insurance makukuha natin. So, total niya 100%. Family Assistance Service. Regarding the service, so policy should be in active status and plan should have completed at least 1 year of payment. So dito po sa Family Assistance Service, let's say po meron tayong family member, emergency cases, dadali natin sa hospital. Usually sa hospital po, ang kailangan health card or cash. Ngayon po, tayo po na Kaiser plan holder, meron tayong Kaiser savings plan. Meron tayong family member na dinala nasa for emergency. So pwede po niya itong gamitin at yung bill po babayaran na lang po kay Kaiser. If plan holder requested or opted to pay on a term basis, payment scheme is on a case-to-case basis and subject to Kaiser approval. Please note that this assistance is an accommodation only and not considered a benefit of the plan. Hence, approval and denial on the ailment solely depends on Kaiser management evaluation. Punta na po tayo sa extended period. So the following illnesses will be covered during extended period, yung 8 to 20th year. We call that yung pre-existing condition. Okay. During paying period, 1st to 7th year, kung ang cost po ng hospitalization natin ay pre-existing po condition, hindi po siya covered. So ano po yung pre-existing condition? Yun po yung sakit na meron tayo na hindi po natin alam. Kaya ito po yung mga example ng pre-existing condition. Pero after 7 years, on the 8th year, up to the 20th year, covered na po yung pre-existing condition. So, your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser. So, dito po sa Pilipinas, so once admitted, you will be advised to file your PhilHealth reimbursement form. The PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the total hospital bills. Kaiser members without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth. So, grace period. The owner shall be given a grace period of 60 days to pay the due installment. If payment is made after the grace period, the contract shall be considered lapse. So, meaning inactive. Case may mangyari sa atin, hindi po natin ma-avail yung benefit or benefits. So, benefits may be provided to the member only after the due installment is paid. So, let's say po, nag-lapse yung plan. So, we have two ways for reinstatement para maging active yung plan. Yung tinatawag na update. Halimbawa po, 6 na buwan yung hindi natin nabayaran, so babayaran natin lahat yon plus surcharge and interest. Another way to reinstate naman, tinatawag na redate. Halimbawa po, 6 months yung hindi natin nabayaran, pwede natin bayaran yung 1 month lang plus 300 pesos. Pero yung maturity date po, mamumove po ng 6 months. And para po ma-forfeit po yung plan, 2 years po natin siya hindi nabayaran. Cash value surrender. The owner may surrender the contract for its cash value stated in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least 2 years. And sa cash surrender value po, hindi po natin makukuha lahat ng binayad po natin. Why? Kasi po, si Kaiser nag-take na ng risk sa ating healthcare at sa ating ating life insurance. Kaya yun po ang reason kung bakit hindi po natin makukuha lahat ng binayad natin in case gusto nating i-withdraw yung ating payments. So, meron pong computation si Kaiser po dyan. The owner is allowed to transfer his rights under his contract at any time. So, ito lang po ang mga requirements. Upgrading a plan and mode of payment. So plan can be upgraded within 30 days after its effectivity date. So pwede po tayo mag-upgrade ng plan within 30 days after its effectivity date. Let's say po, kinuha po natin lower plan na K45. Gusto natin i-upgrade to K100. Pwede po yan within 30 days after its effectivity date. So mode of payment can be upgraded anytime after completion of its respective cycle. If within 30 days after purchase, ito po mga dapat natin gawin. Filled out amendment form, payment of additional installment due corresponding to the amount of the updated mode of payment beyond 30 days after purchase. Ito po ang requirements. So, filled up amendment form, payment of processing fee of 300, computation of dues based on the desired mode of payment. Downgrading of plan and mode of payment is not allowed. Kung gusto po natin malaman yung Kaiser accredited hospital, so email to provider@kaiserhealthgroup.com or call to Kaiser 24/7 hotline. At pwede rin po tayong pumunta sa website ng Kaiser, kaiserhealthgroup.com. So, doon po sa bandang ibaba, makikita niyo po ron yung accredited clinics and hospitals. Pwede niyo po yung i-click. Eligibility. If you are 10 to 40 years old, yung minimum plan na para po sa inyo ay K45. So, ang monthly po niya 2,647. Kung kayo naman po ay 41 to 50 years old, ang minimum plan na para po sa inyo ay K60. So, ang monthly po niya 3,529. Kung kayo naman po ay 51 to 60 years old, ang minimum plan para po sa inyo ay K75. That's 4,412 monthly. So how to pay subsequent Kaiser premiums? So option 1, you can go directly to Kaiser office. Option 2, deposit to any Kaiser bank accounts. So gagawin lang po dito, doon po sa deposit slip, lalagay niyo po yung name, policy number, then email niyo po sa support@kaiserhealthgroup.com or customercare@kaiserhealthgroup.com. Option 3, pay through BPI Express Online. Ito po yung procedure. Option 4, over-the-counter deposit to any IMG bank accounts. Okay, so once na-approve na po yung policy po natin, mag-i-email po si Kaiser at padadalan po tayo ng username and password para po sa ating OPMS o Online Policy Management System. So high-tech na po tayo, paperless. Kaya dito po sa Online Policy Management System, nandyan po yung ating policy. So printable po siya. So yan po, sa loob po ng ating OPMS, makikita po natin yung details, magkano na binayad natin, kailan yung next due, and again, andyan po yung policy printable, anytime pwede po natin i-print. And once na fully paid na po tayo sa ating Kaiser, so bibigyan po tayo ng certificate of full payment and Visa card. So dito po sa Visa card, exclusive lang po yan for, magagamit po natin siya exclusively for hospitalization. Pero on the 20th year, so good as cash na siya, kaya pwede na pong gamitin kahit saan. Mag-shopping kayo, mamasyal kayo, kumain kayo, pwede nyo na po yung gamitin on the 20th year on maturity. So why Kaiser is level 1 investment? So as financial coach, ito po yung nire-recommend namin na level 1 of investment. Kumbaga sa nag-aaral, bago mag-grade 2, kailangan mag-grade 1 muna. So think about this. Medical costs doubles every 5 to 7 years here in the Philippines. A lot of sick people die not because there is no medicine but because of no money. So marami pong Pinoy na namamatay hindi dahil sa kawalan ng gamot, kundi dahil sa kawalan ng pera. So majority ng Pinoy walang savings para sa kanilang healthcare. Any company benefits. Pag po tayo nag-retire, nag-resign, hindi po natin yan madadala. So no traditional healthcare company covers ages 61 and up. So maraming Pinoy, umasa sa anak, nagbebenta ng property, nangungutang during their retirement about their medical needs. Majority of personal bankruptcy is due to medical crisis. So sabi po namin, ng isa po sa aming financial mentor, si Sherex Mendoza, you don't have the right to invest unless you are properly protected. So meaning, kailangan muna ng healthcare protection and life protection. Ngayon, pupunta na po tayo sa ating Q&A, question and answer. So how can we be sure Kaiser will still be there in the long term? Can we trust Kaiser to fulfill its commitments? So Kaiser Premium Health Builder is a product of 2 actuarial studies made by an American and a Philippine actuarian, respectively. The company and the products offered have passed the regulatory requirements of the government through the Securities and Exchange Commission and Department of Health. At least 51% of payments made by the plan holders automatically goes to a trust fund as required by the government. Kaiser cannot touch the trust fund. It is reserved for the future claims by the plan holders. Kaiser Trust Fund is managed by 2 international banks. So how secure and financially stable is Kaiser International Health Co? So the healthcare industry is a highly regulated industry. Before any company can be licensed, it has to fully comply with all the government requirements to make sure it is fully secured and can deliver its benefits to its clients. It is regularly monitored by the regulatory government agencies. Our Kaiser health plans are designed by licensed actuary, not only to ensure compliance with established government regulations, but also to make sure that our products are financially sound and stable. Kaiser is one of the top most healthcare company in the healthcare industry in terms of capitalization and market share. Kaiser is fully compliant with the regulatory requirements. On top of this, Kaiser's cornerstone of success resides in the skill and experience of its corporate management and its business partners. Kaiser draws great strength from a leadership team which thoroughly understands the company industry and operating environment. It possesses close long-term relationships with its members and partners throughout the country. With Kaiser's strong financial stability, our clients are highly secured. Kaiser deals with top-notch and highly qualified licensed financial managers. We consider them as partners and work very closely with them. The managers themselves are also governed by government regulations. In addition, we deal with some of the country's best universal banks. It's the first time I've heard about Kaiser. What is it? So Kaiser International Health Group is accredited by the Department of Health as an HMO. It is registered with Securities and Exchange Commission as a healthcare provider and broker for other healthcare companies. It is also registered with Insurance Commission. So who are the persons behind Kaiser? So Kaiser's board of directors is seasoned experts in the medical field, services, and healthcare industry, headed by its president and medical director, Dr. Leia Yulo. What is the financial viability of Kaiser? So Kaiser is registered with Securities and Exchange Commission and has an authorized capitalization of 160 million. Has fully complied with all the SEC regulations. It's also approved by the Department of Health to operate as an HMO. The investment and funds are managed by the top leading financial institutions in the industry. So ito po yung mga government agencies, schools, private companies ng health card po nila ay Kaiser. So po sa government, number 6, yung House of Representatives. So, ibig sabihin, yung lahat po ng Congress po natin sa buong Pilipinas, including their family and staff, health card po nila ay Kaiser. So, meron po akong ginawang case study. How to avail medical assistance from government office. Ito po ang mangyayari, ito pong gagawin natin, kundi po natin paghahanda ng ating retirement, kundi po natin paghahanda ng ating pagtanda. So, ito po ang requirements to avail medical assistance from government office. Barangay certificate, medical certificate, and prescription. So, kinuha ko po lahat yan at pinasa ko sa aming City Hall. After 2 weeks po, tinawagan ako for interview. At ito po yung pila sa aming City Hall. And nakuha ko po yung aking medical assistance another 2 weeks. So lumalabas po 1 buwan. Tanong niyo po kung magkano ang nakuha ko. 1,500. Kakasya po ba? Hindi po. May mga kasabay po ako, meron diabetes, na stroke, nakuha lang po 3,000. At ang sabi po, pwedeng umulit every 3 months. So every 3 months, 3,000, that's 12,000 per year. Kasya po ba? Hindi po. So yan po ang mangyayari sa atin kung di po natin paghahanda ng ating retirement, ang ating pagtanda. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo pong panonood ng ating Kaiser Savings Plan Seminar. Thank you very much. All glory belongs to God. Ito po yung aking Facebook page, Piso ni Juan para sa Kinabukasan. This is my contact numbers, email, and kung gusto niyo po ng quotation regarding sa Kaiser, tala po tayo sa, ito po yung link. Ito po, 1955jf.imdcorp.com/quote.
Kahit ano man ang estado natin sa buhay, we keep working. But we keep forgetting. We seem to forget that health is the real wealth. But we never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Ang mas nangangailangan yung mga lalong nahihirapan. Kung kaya naman nilang magtulog ng paunti-unti, basta meron kayo may protection lahat. Kasi baka yung kinikita mo yung sapat sa pambili ng gamot, marami yung nakasakit, mga anak, ikaw mismo. Lalo kung ikaw yung breadwinner, nagtatrabaho ka para sa pamilya mo, tapos bigla ka nagkasakit, paano na yung pamilya mo? At kahit na anong estado, it's one thing off your list, aalalahan. Kahit ako, di ba? That's why it's important to have it. Kasama ko ang Kaiser, kahit maputi ng buhok ko. May Kaiser health card ka na ba? Sharon, Cuneta po, para sa Kaiser.
Binabati kita, kaibigan. Proud ako sa'yo. Kasi iniisip mo ang kinabukasan ng iyong pamilya. At dahil mahal mo sila, ka-envy life ka. Kaibigan, ikaw na